What if I told you that hidden within ancient Sanskrit texts lies a complete science of creation itself? Not mythology, not religion, but a precise mathematical and vibrational framework that explains how the universe came into existence from a single sound. That sound is Om, and the text that decodes it is called the Pranava Veda. Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating yet overlooked ancient texts in human history, the Pranava Veda. A text so profound that modern scholars are only now beginning to understand what ancient sages knew thousands of years ago. So what exactly is the Pranava Veda? The word pranava means the primordial vibration or humming sound. It refers to the sacred syllable Om. And Veda means knowledge or science, so Pranava Veda literally translates to the science of Om. Most people know the four Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Samaveda, and Atharva Veda. But according to certain ancient traditions, there was a fifth Veda, the Pranava Veda. It was considered the blueprint of creation itself. Traditionally, this text is attributed to a sage named Gargyayana. Later, a commentary called the Deepika was written by Swami Yogananda. In the 20th century, it was translated into English by G.R. Joyzier. But the Pranava Veda is not just about chanting Om. It explains Om as the fundamental vibration from which all matter, energy, and consciousness emerge. Now let's understand the deeper meaning of Om. Om is made of three sounds, A, U, and The letter A represents pure consciousness, the self, the observer. The letter U represents the universe of matter and energy, everything we experience in the physical world. The letter M represents the relationship between the self and the universe. But according to the Pranava Veda, there is also a hidden fourth element, the silence that follows after the sound fades away. This silence represents the ultimate reality, beyond all duality. So the structure of Om mirrors the structure of reality itself. It represents the journey from separation to unity. The Pranava Veda also describes the structure of time and the universe in incredible detail. It talks about vast cycles of creation and destruction known as Kalpas, Manvantaras, and Yugas. According to the text, reality exists in multiple layers: physical worlds, subtle worlds, and causal worlds. Each layer corresponds to different states of consciousness and different vibrational frequencies. The physical world is considered the densest vibration, the subtle world exists at a higher frequency, and the causal world approaches pure silence and pure consciousness. Interestingly, modern physics is beginning to explore similar ideas. String theory suggests that reality may be made of vibrating energy strings. Quantum physics also describes the universe as fields of vibrating energy. The Pranava Veda explored these ideas thousands of years ago through meditation and inner experience. The text also discusses the Mahavakyas, or great spiritual statements. One of the most important is Neti Neti, which means not this, not this. This teaching encourages a person to question everything they identify with, the body, thoughts, emotions, and mind, until they discover their true self beyond all temporary identities. Other Mahavakyas include Tat Tvam Asi, meaning thou art that, and Aham Brahmasmi, meaning I am Brahman. These are not just phrases to repeat, they are truths meant to be realized through direct experience. According to the Pranava Veda, true yoga is not just physical exercise. It is the union of the individual consciousness with universal consciousness, and Om is considered the bridge between the finite and the infinite. In recent decades, scholars like Dr. Ganapati Sthapati and Dr. Jessie Mercay helped revive interest in the Pranava Veda. They interpreted it as a science of manifestation, explaining how vibration becomes matter and how energy transforms into physical form. This understanding is connected to Vastu Shastra, the ancient Indian science of architecture. According to these teachings, ancient temples were not simply places of worship, they were designed using precise mathematical proportions and vibrational principles to influence human consciousness. The same principles were believed to apply to music, dance, sculpture, and poetry. So why does the Pranava Veda matter today? Because it offers a way of understanding the connection between consciousness, sound, matter, and reality itself. In a world full of information but lacking deeper meaning, the Pranava Veda reminds us that true knowledge begins within. It teaches that through meditation, self-inquiry, and awareness, humans can discover a deeper reality beyond the mind and senses. Its methods are ancient, but its message remains timeless. So, what do you think? Is the Pranava Veda simply ancient philosophy, or could it be a forgotten science of consciousness? Share your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content exploring ancient wisdom and modern science. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep listening to the deeper vibrations of the universe. Peace.